This video is about what trends we can expect to see in recruitment in 2024. Now, this is not my work. This is something that LinkedIn have done. And so a name check to Lydia Abbott, Jamia Smith-Dell and Stephanie Scalise, who have done all this work and produced this. But I've read their report and I think it's got some really interesting stuff in that I want to share with you. So number one, that AI is going to supercharge recruitment this year. We're already seeing that within our business. And some of the interesting facts that really kind of hit home to me were that how few recruiters are actually embracing AI already and how many are using it already, with only 27% are experimenting with AI at the time of writing. That might have increased since the beginning of the year, but the majority of people are optimistic about AI and its impact in recruitment, with 6 out of 10, or I think it was actually slightly more than that, optimistic about AI. Another thing as well is that recruitment teams will actually be helping to build more of a skills-based workforce. Now, it's not just this LinkedIn report. I've seen this actually I've had quite a few conversations with HR teams and talent professionals within companies as well, saying really there is a shift towards looking at the skills that people have, not just their qualifications and their educational experience. And some of the data from the report actually indicates that if you look towards more of a skills-based model for the people you hire, you can actually increase the access to talent or your talent pools by 10 times. So that's quite a significant increase when we're particularly looking at a demand for skills and experience that perhaps isn't necessarily flowing within the market at the moment. And the other aspect as well, which will come as no surprise, and actually it's kind of echoed in some of the ESG drives as well that we've seen from some of the surveys that we've done, is that recruiters are really pushing and advocating for more flexible work, with an awful lot of people, I think over 70%, saying that some form of flexibility in working significantly impacts the access to talent and the recruitment process. It does make it easier to hire people if you can offer them that flexibility when they join you. So those are 3 big trends: AI, skills and flexibility are the key things to look out for in your hiring this year.